So everybody knows the Volkswagen Caddy. It's been around for a long time and it hasn't had a change in quite a while. Today I'm going to show you the old school versus the new cargo. The good thing when you go for the Caddy is it doesn't matter if you go older or if you go newer. They're both fantastic to drive and have a lot to offer. As described, both drive like a car. The new one has the electronic steering, so it is that little bit lighter on the steering and it has got a smoother drive to it, as well as the function for opening the side doors. As you can see here, that little release on the underside of the handle, just to pop it open and make it that little bit easier so it instantly opens for you to drag back. But there really isn't a lot of difference in the way it drives and the handling and the style of it. It's more the looks and the technology, which I'll show you now. Inside the cockpit of the vehicle, it's all changed. You have this swooping dash that comes across in front of you. You still have your storage space above the head if you choose to. You can have the LED lights inputted as well. The center console is a lot more swooping down, which is a lot nicer look and a lot nicer feel to it. On the GSG now, there's no large gear knob in the middle. It's just a little lever, which you should see in this video, that's coming across. Just sort of like makes it feel a lot nicer and a lot more comfortable place to be. The back of the new Caddy doesn't have the windows as standard anymore, unlike it did on the old one. So that is something that has changed dramatically on the back, as well as the lighting down the sides rather than low down. Again, a button just underneath here, press on there to release the door slightly. They still open up like barn doors as they did before. One last feature to the new Caddy Cargo is these power folding mirrors that come on it as well. But really the difference between the two really is the looks and the slightly more technology on the new one. So that choice is still a difficult one, because the old Caddy really is still a great van. But if you do want to go for something a little bit newer, there's nothing wrong with the new Caddy, with the way it drives and the way it looks. Thanks again for joining me again on another video. Please don't forget to subscribe below and like the video. And if you've got any more questions about the Caddy, just mention them below and I'll get back to you and answer them as best as I can. Again, thanks again for joining me, Commercial Chris.